about simple bar. Bar graph generally used to measure at least one categorical variable against the continuous variable. If you have any sort of categorical variable in your data set, you can use your bar graph. If both are continuous, line graph. If you want to study the spread, you have to go to box plot. If you want to study the continuous study of your data, generally you have to use the histogram. Scatter plot, you have to use you have to use it for correlation. So bar graph to graph, they have their own objective. So bar graph is when you have any categorical variable. If you want to measure anything with this sort of categorical variable, another one may be continuous, you can use your bar graph. Simple bar graph is if you have two variables, you can use simple bar graph. If you have more than two, you can use clustered bar graph for making it in x, y, z dimension. So here you have a nominal variable. Since the SPSS indicates this icon, it is nominal variable, otherwise it will be in the bar icon, which is ordinal variable. Here when it has the scale as the icon, it is a scale variable, that is a continuous variable which is numerical. So now we have to go to charts, chart builder, click OK. Always you take this nominal variable. Here I have to select the simple bar graph. So now always you bring here, say, nominal variable into the x-axis. Always you bring the scale variable in your y-axis. What do you want to measure? Always to be kept in your y. Against what is generally to be kept in x. In short, dependent variable is always advisable to be taken under y, because this study is all about coping stress with respect to the physical activity. What way the coping stress varies with respect to physical activity. This is the notion of this study. So here all these things to be kept at right part. So here nominal variable at x-axis, scale at y-axis. So what you want to measure is generally say dependent to be continuous. So it's continuous here. So now bar, when you click bar, you click the display error bars showing the confidence level of 95%. Then you choose your x-axis, let it be the same. Y-axis minimum to be kept as 0. So you maintain this, apply. Then I want to give some title for this. So I am choosing title 1 as stress study. Let it be like this. Say stress study. So I am giving apply here, and I am giving OK now. So I got the output here of say stress. See, this graph is generally indicates the stress level with respect to the physical activity. I don't want this color at all, it is very blurred. So how to change? So you click this, automatically fill color is coming. So you fill the color based on the graph that you like. Okay, here if I want to change that, I can change, apply. I want to change for each and everything. You select this and give, you select that, give apply. I want to change this also. You select that and give apply. I want to change this one also, then change, apply. So now I don't want this background at all, so let it be white, let it be otherwise say green, this color, let it be like this. So all these you can do. Border, I want very thick border, weight to be like this. You can change the weight to apply, close. So this you can do. See the pattern of the graph. Say when you compare, when you have high physical activity, this is for high physical activity. High physical activity, when you have very high physical activity, coping stress is very high, of say 8 to the weight of 8 units. When you come down, physical activity is just not that much, you can able to have 7.5 something. When it is low, it is moderate, it is 7.5. When it is low, it is of 6. When it is very sedentary, coping stress is very less. So when you are very sedentary, sitting at one place, it is very tough to have to cope with your stress. This is your interpretation of this graph. Okay. And one more point to indicate with respect to this say simple bar is, even you can change this charts, you can change. If you want to do some sort of transpose, you can transpose, you can change, you can do any sort by clicking here. You can, if you want to be clustered, you can change that to clustered. If you want to be same, you can maintain that as same. All these things is you have to change here. Basic elements, I want to change XY here, I have to change the direction, can change the direction. No, not like this, you can change. So everything you can make change as per the indication. Okay, so that's all about the simple graph.